What is going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode of Wisconsin Anglers. Today I am going to be heading out salmon fishing. I heard the conditions are really good. The winds today aren't very high, which is good. My dad and I just created, here I'll come show you guys actually, just created a new rod holder here to mount on our boat, because as you can see, we have a ski boat here, so it's a little bit tough to fish off of it, but hey, I'm gonna make the best of it, and we're gonna see if we can get on some today. So I'll catch you guys there. It's at the surface and it hasn't jumped, so. Oh, we got one on this rod. We got one on this rod. We're doubled up. We're doubled up. That's you. That's you. Turn off the motor.
Be able to get it with that foot.
We got two fish at 90 feet. Deep. I got it. Yep. Broke off. Oh, there it is, right out there. Just surfaced. Nice rainbow.
Let's go out there.
No, it's gonna go right back down to the bottom of the lake. God, this line must be rotten. And I had that, look at how loose that drag is.
There you go. There you go.
I don't want it to get tangled. I don't want it to get tangled. A lot of line on. I wonder what this is. Gotta be a rainbow or a king.
I think it's a rainbow. I was running pretty shallow. We're at about 25, 30.
Jump yet.
It will. Guaranteed.
Whoa. Not giving up yet.
That's kind of acting like a king. I'm gonna have a king on there, buddy.
Yeah. It's at the surface, whatever it is. It's at the surface and it hasn't jumped, so. Oh, we got one on this rod. We got one on this rod. We're doubled up. We're doubled up. That's you. That's you. Turn off the motor. I'm gonna turn it off. We're doubled up. We can't let it. Oh yeah. Okay. Let it run. Let it run though. We're doubled up, guys.
This one's running to the boat. We're coming in at the same time.
Ooh, yeah. That's a rainbow.
That's a rainbow.
Or it's a hole.
She's running.
Play it. Play it. Play it. Play it. Mine's at the boat. I'm gonna grab the net.
Okay, grab the net. That's a rainbow. Yep.
All tangled up.
It's great.
Oh, crap. It's not good.
Okay, you can get yours. Get yours. Crap. That, take care of the fish. Okay. Hold on, make sure. Got it?
Yeah. Try not to. Oh. Guys, look at this. Just doubled up. Here's my fish right here. Mine is a rainbow, I believe. Take a look at that. Nice, beautiful rainbow right there. Absolutely stunning rainbow. My dad's, we doubled up at the same time, is a nice chunky king. There's a king right there. Nice fat king. Doubled up. Let's go. We got to get our lines back out because the bite is hot right now.
They didn't even show up on the fish finder. They came out of nowhere.
Rainbows never do it. All right, guys, little midday update. Well, I should say afternoon update. My dad and I just had a double. I think mine was about an 8-pound rainbow, and my dad's was about Just a smaller king. Still a really fun fight. Oh, is that a fish jumping out there? No. I still cannot believe that what kind of a day we're having right now. Hopefully our luck changes around a bit, but we've just been snapping off on fish left and right, missing fish. Rainbows jumping out of the air, shaking our hooks off. But hey, that's fishing, and it's a beautiful night out. The sun is setting here. We're getting into prime time here, so
It's too fun not to want more.
Too fun not to want more. All right, we're gonna keep fishing here, and right around, it is now 8:30, so we probably caught those fish about 20 minutes ago, so around 8:10ish. Got a later start to the day, but we were marking fish in around 35-40 feet of water, and I think those fish in about 100 hit in about 120 feet of water. So we're just kind of motoring around that 120, 130 feet range, seeing if we can get a couple more. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we can bang one out here. Marking another one here at 40 feet and one at 60. This is what we're seeing on the graph, guys. Every once in a while, that's probably a king at 60 feet, and right above it, that might be a smaller coho, but definitely a fish. Oh, fish on. Let's go. That's a king. That's a king, and we got one on. Let it run. Let it run. Let it run. That's the king. Just marked it on the graph, guys, and we're hooked up. Hooked that fish in 102 feet of water. Oh, we got a bunch. We got a couple fish at 30 feet, so if another rod goes off.
What are you doing with the net? What do you do with the next wave of fish?
Oh yeah, that's a rainbow. We got another fish at 60.
You do?
Yep. That's a fat pig.
Yeah, it is a fat pig.
Jeez, that might be a coho. I think that is. Looks like a king. Another nice one right at about 102 feet of water. I'm gonna put this guy in the cooler, and we're gonna get home here because I think that's about the last fish we can take. Let's get it. Just saw a ton of fish, as you guys could tell, on the fish finder. We actually saw that fish come up and hit our bait. So, boy, was that cool. Oh, we got another one out here. We got another one. Oh, yeah. We got another one. Look at that, guys.
See if I can get that other line up real quick.
Yeah,
We had a little bit of a mess here with rods when we're done, but
we're hooked up, guys. Another one. 94 feet of water, down 30 feet. Doesn't feel huge. This might be a coho. Ooh. Little run for you guys there. Take that shit. There he is. Just got this reel. Works really nice. I'm gonna get lower here. So. Look at that sunset in the back there. Beautiful night for fishing. This is going to be our last fish here. Slaying them. Doesn't feel huge. But hey, I'll take it.
it'd be nice to get a little coho.
Yeah.
Good eating.
Look at that sunset in the back. Beautiful.
Okay, I want to grab the net.
That looks like a nice fish.
Hey, grab the net here. Take it over here with it.
Walk this fish back here.
pig.
Let's go. Look at that fish, guys. What a pig. Nice, beautiful king.
Nice net wrecker.
Last light fish. All right, we're gonna get this fish unhooked here. Look at that king, guys. That's what you call, I can't even hold this fish right now. What a absolute pig. If you've never Lake Michigan trolled out here, I don't even have a trolling boat or a fishing boat for that matter, but what a hog. All right, I'm gonna get some pictures of these guys.
I'm invisible.